West Ham United bid a fond farewell to four UEFA Europa Conference League heroes on Sunday, but the Hammers will not be sorry to say goodbye to the 2024-25 season. The careers of Aaron Cresswell and Vladimir Koufal were both celebrated at London Stadium, but their final home appearances, and the imminent departures of fellow Prague champions Łukasz Fabianski and Danny Ings, were tinged with the disappointment of a 2-1 defeat by Nottingham Forest. Jarrod Bowen's 12th Premier League goal of the season was a mere consolation, as goals from Morgan Gibbs-White and Mikola Milinkovic in either half clinched victory for the visitors. Before kick-off, Aaron Wan-Bissaka was named Hammer of the Year, before sporting director Mark Noble presented a framed shirt to longtime teammate Cresswell to mark his 11 years of service. When the game began, the opening period was frenetic, with both goalkeepers called into action repeatedly. Within the first 100 seconds, departing duo Cresswell and Vladimir Koufal were involved in the build-up before the check crossed for compatriot Tomáš Souček, whose powerful header was clawed away by Mats Sells. Forest's first two attacks both ended with Areola making saves, the first a strong effort to keep out Gibbs-White's powerful right foot shot with his left leg, and the second a more routine stop to collect Elliot Anderson's shot at the base of his near post. The chances kept coming and both goalkeepers were forced into action again before the 10-minute mark had been reached. Koufal, who looked determined to mark his final home appearance with his first West Ham goal, worked Sells at the near post with a left foot shot, before Areola parried Chris Wood's powerful 20-yard drive to safety. But the Frenchman went from hero to villain 2 minutes later when, in trying to find Guido Rodriguez inside the D, his pass was intercepted by Gibbs-White, who controlled and fired into the vacant net. The Forest captain celebrated with the shirt of teammate Ta Awoniyi, who underwent surgery after colliding with a goalpost at the City Ground during last weekend's 2-2 draw with Leicester City. The goalmouth action relented, but not for long and, after a moment of concern when Bowen collided with the post himself and suffered a cut to the eye, Forest's players immediately signaled for medical attention for our skipper, would hit the upright at the other end with a bouncing header. The final 15 minutes of the half were less eventful, with Mohamed Kudus heading Cresswell's cross high and wide, then the No. 3 himself having a backheeled effort blocked by Ibrahim Sangare. Cresswell had the first chance of the second half, volleying wide, then Koufal chested and volleyed onto the roof of Sells' net. And Forest made West Ham pay again just past the hour mark when Jean-Claire Todibo conceded a free kick, Anthony Elanga delivered and Milinkovic diverted the ball past Areola with his shoulder. A 5-minute VAR check for offside full.